How many types of income sources do you know? How many income sources do you currently rely on? Rich people don't just have one income source, unlike many working-class folks. They don't confine their earnings to just the hours they work, trading their time for money day in and day out. In fact, the wealthy typically have 7 different income sources. Besides the income obtained like most people, they tap into many other income-generating possibilities available. There's much more to making money than most people realize. To become financially independent, you must make money work for you rather than just working for money. If you're into videos about money, personal finance, and investments, all topics that can help improve your financial future, subscribe to our channel. We already have over 100 videos available to assist you on your financial journey. Let's get started. Number 1. Earned income. By far the most common type of income, and one everyone knows. Earned income is that which is received through work like any job. This is when you're compensated based on the work you do. Many workers are paid by the hour, and their pay is directly correlated with the amount of time spent working for someone else. It can also be when an individual is self-employed and works hourly or is paid per task or even commissions. In all these circumstances, money must be worked for to be earned, and stops flowing as soon as the work stops. People sometimes fail to see opportunities beyond this income, believing the myth that a job is stable and secure. This keeps you in your comfort zone. While this may be something not disagreed upon, the risk lies in solely depending on this income source and not diversifying into other income sources. Hence, the risk of having only a single income source is a very real risk. Number 2. Profit income. Profit income is money earned from selling something for more than it costs to make or buy. When a grocery store sells items for more than it costs to buy them, it's making money through profit. A car dealership earns its money when it sells cars for more than they bought them for, also profiting from the loan services and maintenance they offer. Earning this type of income requires a fair amount of initial work, as it typically involves setting up a business, but you don't necessarily need to create the next Walmart or Amazon to make money this way. A salesperson can go door to door selling a cleaning product for more than they bought it for, which would require minimal initial costs and overhead expenses. People who work for earned income usually struggle to earn this type of income because it requires stepping out of the comfort zone and taking a bit more risk. To be an entrepreneur and rake in profits, you need to choose a product or even a service you want to sell, perhaps something involving a personal passion. This could be cars, clothes, or even opening a restaurant. By presenting the product well and treating your customers well, income through profit can be financially very rewarding. Number 3. Rental income. This type of income is the most commonly received money from renting out properties. Typically, houses or apartments are rented to tenants in exchange for a monthly fee, but the property can consist of industrial spaces, warehouses, storage trailers, and even land. Spaces in shopping centers are rented monthly, and many of these shops prefer to lease the space rather than buy and manage their own properties, allowing them to spend more time on their products and services rather than dealing with maintenance, repairs, extra accounting, and other property management tasks. To profit from rental income, the money received needs to cover the expenses of the property or item and, hopefully, provide leftover money, which is known as cash flow. Number 4. Dividend income. It consists of payments that shareholders receive simply for owning a stock that pays dividends, such as Coca-Cola, 3M, and Walmart. If you own an S&P 500 index, for example, you will receive approximately 2% of the value of your holdings in the form of dividend payments, which are usually paid quarterly. Individuals with a considerable amount invested can often achieve financial independence by living solely off these dividend payments, allowing the rich to get richer, so to speak. In other words, the principal of the investments increases while investors receive some cash flow. Many retirees choose to live off their dividend payments as long as they have enough invested to cover their monthly expenses. Think of dividend income as cash flow from a rental property. The property has the potential to appreciate while still providing cash flow. Number 5. Interest income. Earning interest is as simple as lending your money to someone for a fee. The interest received from the loan will depend on how long the money will be lent and what it will be used for. For example, if you lend money to an investor who is using it to renovate a house in a short period of time, the interest rate will be much higher than if you lend it for the purchase of a rental property that will be held for a long period. Rental properties are typically held for a long time, usually years, while buying houses for renovation and selling happens very quickly. Although the total interest earned may be similar, the terms can be very different. Interest income can mean lending your money to an individual who will start their own business, lending to someone who wants to buy a new car, or simply putting the money in a bank account or lending it to the government in the form of treasury bonds. This is a form of income that can be completely passive once it's set up, requiring no effort beyond that spent acquiring the money initially. However, the amount you can earn is limited to the amount available to lend and the amount the borrower deems fair to pay in interest. Number 6. Capital gains. This type of income is received from the sale of an asset that has increased in value. A house that has appreciated in value, the appreciation of stocks, or an old car bought for $10,000 and sold for $20,000 are all examples of this. Capital gains income is most commonly received from stocks or real estate, but there are unlimited opportunities to make money this way. However, unlike other types of income, gains can only be realized when the item is sold at a profit. For example, if you own a stock that has doubled in value, the only way to get that money is to sell the stock. The potential for earning with capital gains is limited to the number of assets you can buy and sell, thus limiting some of its passivity. Number 7. Royalty income. Money received from intellectual property is known as royalty income. This is more common in the form of copyrighted material, such as a song or a book. There are other types as well, such as artwork in the form of logos, designs, slogans, or patents. This type of income, once created, can generate a passive income source for years for the original artist or seller, as long as the material remains protected by law. If you own intellectual property from which you want to receive royalties, there are 2 ways to do so. You can sell the property and receive payments from the buyer based on a percentage of the revenue generated by that property. For example, you can sell the copyright of a book and receive upfront royalties and a continuous stream of income based on book sales. Secondly, you can retain ownership of the property and receive royalties from someone for the use of the property. This is called licensing. Royalty rates and payment amounts can be set in various ways. In a franchise situation, such as a fast food restaurant, these fees may be set as a fixed or variable percentage of gross sales. If you want to earn more money, it's essential not to limit yourself to earned income from your job. Diversifying your portfolio with more income sources in your life will allow you to start earning passive income money while you sleep, and eventually limit the number of hours spent working at a job, stuck in the rat race trading time for money. So start making money the way the rich do, with these other income opportunities we've brought to you. See you in the next video.